We've had some questions about how much water pressure cleaners use when we're cleaning a car. Common belief is that they use far more water than a standard garden hose. I'm now going to demonstrate how little water a Karcher pressure washer actually uses. I'm also going to demonstrate that it can siphon water in a bucket rather than the need to connect a garden hose to a tap. And did you know this technique does not impact the performance of the pressure washer? To show you how it works, I've got a 20-litre bucket filled with water, marked by litre, and I'm going to wash a standard sized car with a K4 Karcher pressure washer. It took 2 minutes and 40 seconds to wash the car with the pressure washer. Had we used a standard garden hose to wash this car, it would use 66.5 litres of water. Using the Karcher pressure washer, we just saved 50 litres of water. So next time you're cleaning your car, remember to clean smart with Karcher.